she is with the bib on. That makes you happy. What is it?
And then when I laugh so hard, she like looks at me even weirder.
What is it? What is she giving you? What's in that stuff?
You're funkin'.
Who's standing there, Abby? Oh, that was a good bite. Oh my god.
I'm getting it.
Isn't that awesome? Here. Open. Open, honey. Here. Here, honey. I know. You like them.
You like it?
Okay. Do you not want any more? The other day you ate a bunch.
Can I try a spoonful of that?
Okay, you turn it off, Betty.
Oh,
If you
now
want.